He call it thick when like it be running for a cause. He put it in his face, I call this nigga world of ours. Call me sweet chaos for all the problems I done. Yo, he wanna get his ass kicked in bowling.
Yo, she's ready to work.
I gotta back up my talk, so I got faith in myself.
She's fish food.
And you know what?
She's Luna's can of wet food.
No, I'm the love of Luna's life.
That's what she is. She's a can of wet food.
The love of his life.
She gonna be.
I'm the can of the fancy food pork. The pork fancy food.
He don't eat that.
Exactly.
He don't eat that. He don't like that.
And that's wet food too.
He don't like that. So you know what that means? He shouldn't be that can.
Okay. So.
How you feeling?
Ready to go inside and bowl away, you know.
I was trying to see. Move it before I close my hand.
Y'all, he closes my hand in the window all the time.
German engineering, car does it itself. It has a sensor. If you put your hand out the window for too long, it closes your arm in it.
So don't listen to that foolishness.
I didn't make that shit up.
The foolishness. Excuse me. You got it? You got your eye dizzles?
Yeah.
Let's do this thing.
Let's get it.
You already know. Classic Boston Bowl. That looks way better. Okay. Much better. Let's do this thing, you guys.
Hey y'all. Let me tell you something, sucker. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you something, sucker. Y'all some job turkey.
Oh my goodness, don't listen to him.
Hey, listen, let me
I'm gonna stop it right there. This is where we cut scene. Because he talking about people being jive turkey. The only jive turkey that's here right now is him.
On the band lab in there. I'm gonna get you a tripod.
I have one. I have multiple. It's just I don't have
I'm gonna get you a tripod case, like mine.
Crazy how the table switch. They not what they used to be. I can remember the old me, gullible. Held it down for niggas that couldn't be. Was giving too much energy, the shit I didn't need. You niggas always offended me. Always trying to friend me. Can't be a friend if you checking on my penalties. But never remember the shit I did for you initially. The trickery, part of the industry, yeah, it's meant for me. You niggas here, joggers. My wagon not big enough for the real fighters. 2 times kissing ass, and they end up shoe shining. I loosen up, my nigga just show me who right. Oh, you lose side. My words are spelled, so I say this at night. Lord, please don't let me lose sight. I fight for my life. I make amends for myself every time I get high. Life is bittersweet, but I'm feeling sanctified. Rest aside. Life's a little bit of chocolate, it's super sweet. Life's a little bit of chocolate, a rush of energy. Life's a little bit of chocolate, it's bittersweet. And
I'm gonna go back.
life's a little bit of chocolate, it's super sweet. Life's a little bit of chocolate, a rush of energy. That's a little bit of chocolate, it's bittersweet. You better play the radio. The goals, setting the quotes, big boss on the east side, setting the roles. I make my rounds every day. I treat y'all like every boat. Can never fuck with a nigga that don't know what he want. Can do the intercession if don't like a run around home. Get straight to the point or get the hell out the door. I ain't got no time to no waste on you stupid ass hoes with these stupid ass folks who get the fuck out the road. That's a little bit of chocolate, it's super sweet. That's a little bit of chocolate, a rush of energy. So you guys, I was doing a couple things for SKL, which I'm really excited about. So I was gonna show you guys the boxes and shit because
about to do some product pictures, so yeah. I don't have anything else to record on to show you guys how I'm gonna do it, but one day, eventually, very soon, I will. So, in the meantime, look at this. So, this is what we got going on right here is our soft glue collection, which I'm really excited about, and then just a couple of the packaging. So, yeah, stay tuned for kind of the end product of what things are gonna look like. So, you gotta make some dinner. I'm gonna do some makeup and some videos after, you know, the duties, of course. So, yeah.
What's poppin' chaoticals? I'm gonna be doing these little mini commercial series all throughout my videos for the time being, just because I want to give my channel a little bit of sauce, a little bedazzles. But anyways, in the meantime, in today's video, we are taking a look at our soft glam collection. And in the beginning of this clip, you guys seen Allure. Allure was dressed in the all green, and then we had Chic, and Chic was dressed in the all pink. So, for my lovely ladies tapping in with me today, drop the fruit emoji if you made it this far. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and check out the SKL website and check out our Majestic, our soft glam, and our natural collection. So, tune in.
What? Girl, what? Okay, so pretty much what I'm about to do is I finished setting up all the other lashes, all that good stuff. So I kind of made like my own little sample box as if I just received my own order, and I was gonna do like a quick little promo video, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, this man is over here watching me, y'all. That's why I keep looking over there. He's watching me. He's making me nervous. My little heart. Okay, y'all. We about to get into this video. So let's do this thing. Look at this. Look how cute this is, you guys. Like, I can't wait to show you. I can't wait to show you. Okay, let's do this for real. Okay, so we back, and I had to change the top really quick because, you know, your girl couldn't do the video without looking somewhat decent. You know, I gotta make you guys envision what I'm about to do here. And again, you know, I just got I gotta show it off, y'all. So check out my brand, SKL. I'm gonna put the link in the description box, y'all, so go check it out, okay? Support your girl, support it. So now for real, I'm about to get into this. Stop playing. I'm about to get into this.
Yeah, my niece is hanging with the beater. If you ever find a better get 37 cameras for the sneakers. It's going out like all the been single. That's in the cop, I can't wait to mistreat them. Force in your hoe, I can't wait to mislead them. And beat them. That's my
I see my little curve falling in the back. Ta-da! Ta-da! I know y'all like it. I know you like it. Babe, what you think? What you think?
It's good.
You like it?
It's real good.
Okay. Your girl's not all the way there, but she's trying. Putting in the effort, okay? We trying. So, a cheers to that. Babe's making dinner right now. And then, yeah, we're gonna eat. We're gonna drink. We're gonna... What else are we gonna do?
You can drink.
And drink some more.
Say it one time for the church folk.
We're gonna be holy in unholy ways.
In holiness.
Sorry, y'all.
She's something else. She's something else. She's bam.
I haven't even taken a sip yet.
No, that's what it is. It's a problem. My hands look like they someone else's hands right now.
Oh damn, this one's
Like,
strong.
First coming out the top.
This is strong.
All
All right, y'all. I'm gonna take some pictures. We're gonna finish cooking dinner, and then we'll probably talk to y'all while we're eating and stuff. So, yeah. Also, if y'all haven't already, y'all need to go and check out SKL Lashes. All right. Again, link will be in the description. So, catch y'all on the flip side. Bye.
ain't solid though. So I said adios.
Top 10 nigga. Top 5 nigga. Ooh, you were not there, nigga. Play that shit back. That shit dope.
I need your face. I need your face. So I can play it back.
These niggas real. These niggas real. Get on my phone. Get on my phone.
I can't keep up with these fuck. You been running at the chop, that ain't a bees, man. Niggas switch up, let some suckers when you fuck. That ain't solid though. And I said adios. Yeah, that's solid though.
Like I got too much pride, too much fire, but y'all niggas got too much time. I'm sitting back with a bad bitch, she too damn fine. Treating shorty like the good, cause she blew my mind. All alone in these streets is how I do my crimes. Still missing on my.
You been running at the chops, that ain't a bees, man. Niggas switch up, let some suckers when you fuck. That ain't solid though. So I said adios.
Alright, so really quick, I did not even close out the vlog, so I'm going to close out the vlog right here until next time, ladies and gentlemen. So, I know this vlog was kind of all over the place, but I'm just trying to get back into the groove of things and just, you know, getting it back together. But stay tuned because we got a little video or a snippet of the video shoot coming soon. So, get with it, go home, and until next time, ladies and gents, love you, goodbye.